This is Sangeeta, Assistant Professor of English, Department of English, PhD College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore, reporting for the e-content storyboard. This e-content talks about the novel Mahashweta written by Sudha Murthy, an Indian novelist of the current era. She stands unique among her contemporaries. She portrays women's problems, difficulties, and their decisions in a subtle way. Even in the story, it revolves around the protagonist, Anupama, of the novel Mahashweta, as to how she suffers and responds to the happenings around her. Anupama, being the eldest daughter of the poor village schoolmaster Shamana Rao, as a motherless child, she was under the care of her grandmother. Anupama, an intelligent and talented girl, went to the city to continue her higher education through scholarship. Apart from academics, she excelled in all arts, especially as a dramatist. Dr. Anand, who saw Anupama's stage performance, was once touched by her jubilant talent. He was fascinated by her external beauty, charm, and fell in love with her. With great struggle, he convinced his mother Radhaka to get married to Anupama. The wedding took place in a grand manner. The couple lived happily for 2 months. Dr. Anand went to England to pursue his post graduation studies. Anupama, at the request of her mother in law, stayed back in India to perform the Lakshmi Puja, a family ritual at Lakshmi Nivas. On the day of Lakshmi Puja, a red hot piece of coal fell onto her foot. She tolerated the pain in silence, thinking that it will subside in due course. But sooner that white patch increased in size. Anupama got scared and approached the dermatologist to find out what it could be. The mother informed her that it was leukoderma, a skin disease caused by a vitamin D deficiency, and is curable. In the due course, Anupama secretly got treatment and took medicines prescribed. She was worried and scared about her in laws. Soon, the leukoderma secret was discovered by everyone in the house. Her mother in law, who was very furious about the act of Anupama, sent an urgent telegram to Anupama's father and drove her away back to her village. She was situationally handcuffed and cornered. Anupama believed her husband, a doctor, will understand her. So she wrote several letters to Anand, but she did not get any reply. Anupama's scandal spread like fire, and she felt insulted and humiliated. All her dreams were shattered. One day, Anupama overhears a conversation of the strangers that his mother in law had planned and sought a good match for her son's second marriage. Anupama, on hearing, was very much affected and vexed. The very thought of committing a suicide. But soon she reassured herself, thinking that if a coward man like Dr. Anand can prosper, then she too could win her battle of life. She then informed her friend Sumitra about it. She consoled her and invited her to come to stay with her in Bombay for some time. Anu agreed and reached Bombay. Soon, Sumitra left her parents' home for delivery. Meanwhile, Hari, Sumitra's husband, made wrong advances to Anupama. The shocked Anupama left to Dolly's home, where her mother welcomed her happily. Anupama joined them in their home as a family. Later, Anupama joined as a Sanskrit lecturer in one of the neighboring college and also was responsible for the cultural activities. She meets with an accident and was introduced to Dr. Vasant. A good friendship bloomed between them. Once Anupama gave accommodation in her home, Mary Villa, for Dr. Satya, the roommate and a friend of Dr. Anand. During his stay, Dr. Satya learned the past of Anupama and informed it to Dr. Vasant about it. Dr. Vasant, who learned about the bitter experiences of Anupama, felt pity, and during one of his visits to her home, he proposed his love for her and informed her to reply back. Not immediately, but before he returns to his hometown. And he also promised that he will marry her. In the midst of all the confusions, Dr. Anand, Anupama's husband, who accidentally witnessed the play with Anupama, directed and reached Anupama's place. He begged Anupama to pardon him and to accept him back, narrating all the late ventures to reach her. But Anupama was very firm in her decision and told him that it was too late to reconciliation or reunion. She requested him to get away from her life forever, and bade farewell to him. With no other option, Dr. Anand left the place with a heavy heart. 3 weeks before returning home, Dr. Vasant too visited Anupama, eagerly to know about her decision. Anupama, who was now unaffected by any kind of emotional traumas, informed him of her strong decision that she was not willing to get into any clutches of family life again. She also added that she was contented as a teacher, director of arts, and spinster of life. Thus, Anupama emerged victoriously as an empowered and liberated woman in her life as Mahashweta of novel Kadambari by Banabhatta.